Okay, I got it set up. This is the first time I'm trying it out, so we'll see if it works or not. I got flour, breadcrumbs, beans, sugar, rice, pink sprinkles, like you put on cake and stuff. And I just have fun little Christmas animated sprinkles, and glitter, sequin stuff, and then have some styrofoam cut up. Because in case you didn't know, it is really hard to vacuum up styrofoam with a regular vacuum. So we're going to see how the shark works on it. So that's what everything is. We're going to got an empty bin. Empty, empty, nothing in it. So let's see how well it picks up everything, especially after that flour. Okay, hold on. I need to separate some of this flour so it's not just a big pile. Digging into the carpet some. Do the same with sugar. I think that's as good as you're going to get on sugar. And breadcrumbs. That's just pretty much spread out. Okay. I think everything's ready now. So, my favorite part. Time to vacuum. Okay, did you see that? That was one pass and it picked up all of that flour. No streaks left behind at all. Let's see what else we can do. Yep, picked all that up. Also picked up some beans. That was the noise that you were hearing. So, now we'll do the sugar, then the beans, and then the rice. I'll stop at the rice and see what we got. looks like it did snowplow a little bit, but not too much. Nothing it didn't eventually pick up. Looks like it picked up all the sprinkles, the pink sprinkles. And that's just what's left. Let's see. There's the sprinkles. See their eyes. Don't really see the beans. I'm sure they're in there though. Where else can they be? Okay. Let's do the sequins and the styrofoam. Okay, you get a pretty good look at the floor now. There's nothing on it. Picked up everything in its path. Nearly one pass, I would say. Yeah, looks like everything. So now, after vacuuming up all those small particles and large particles, somewhat large stuff, mostly small stuff. Let's see if that has messed with the filter any, or the suction. And we will vacuum up all this dust and dirt next. That's a dirty bowl. Okay. So we're going to want to do the same thing we did with the other policy. Kind of separate this. We just want a nice, even pile of dirt and dust. Okay, I think that's good enough. And here's our pile of junk that we're going to vacuum up. And the container is still full. Not full, but still has what we just vacuumed up in it. I'd say like 1/4 full. Yeah. So we'll see how this goes. Yes, that was just one pass. And it picked up all of that. Left barely anything behind. This vacuum is really great. I really recommend the Shark Rotator Lift Away if you gotta get a new vacuum. Let's keep vacuuming. Okay, look at that. You see that? It is all vacuumed up. There's no spot or trace of anything left on the carpet, because it is all in my shark rotator. Complete seal, lift away. Picked up everything. Wow. So I hope this helps you in deciding on what vacuum to buy. Okay, or you just enjoyed the video. Alright, peace out.